Hey, have you ever heard about best learning method or talked about best learning method or strategies? Of course, yes. Being a student, you have always heard and talked about such things. And knowing such best methods or strategies is like knowing a magic word. In this video also, are we going to tell you about any such method? Or maybe not? Or maybe we are going to break some myths. So, to get to know the answers of these questions, let's get to the point without any delay. Misconceptions spread by people by suggesting you multiple of learning strategies and methods. Yes, it is a misconception. There exist multiple of videos that tells you about best learning method and best learning strategies. वो आपको ये बिलीव करवाते हैं कि कोई भी एक सर्टेन मेथड फॉलो करने से जो आपको कोई और बता रहा है यू कैन लर्न एनी सब्जेक्ट इन अ बेटर वे. But one thing that is being missed by the student or the audience watching that video is that every student has a different pace of learning. हर एक स्टूडेंट दूसरे स्टूडेंट से बिल्कुल डिफरेंट तरीके से सीखता है. तो कैसे कोई एक ऐसा वीडियो जिसे 1000 लोगों को सजेस्ट किया जा रहा है वो हर एक के लिए इफेक्टिव होगा? Well, it's not about that the video or the strategy that is being told to you is wrong. But the point is that they are not effective for you. क्योंकि आपका pace of learning अलग है, आपके learning experiences अलग है. And nobody else can tell you about the best learning method and best learning strategy that is effective for you. इवन हम अपने टाइम टेबल और स्टडी शेड्यूल को भी खुद से बनाने में कंफर्टेबल होते हैं. वी आर नॉट कंफर्टेबल इफ स्टडी शेड्यूल एंड टाइम टेबल इज बीइंग मेड बाय समवन एल्स. सो अपनी बेस्ट स्ट्रैटेजी के लिए हम किसी और पे रिलाई नहीं कर सकते. बट नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन दैट कम्स टू आवर माइंड इज दैट इफ नॉट द स्ट्रैटेजीज टोल्ड बाय दीज वीडियोज देन व्हाट? Who can tell us about what is the best method that we should use?
Wait, are you looking for someone who will tell you about the best method of learning? If yes, then don't waste your time because at the end you will confuse yourself. Don't worry, it's absolutely fine because we know that no one knows our interest, our strength better than ourselves. Then how can we expect कि कोई बाहर से आएगा और वो हमें लर्निंग का बेस्ट मेथड बताएगा? So keep yourself in your mind and choose any method which you like.
Now let me give you a perfect definition of what learning path is. It is a path created and influenced by one's own learning experiences, and this is why making your own learning path is the best learning strategy you can ever get.
Do you know about the key element of learning? If no, then you're gonna shock when I will tell you about that. It's your curiosity, dude. Do you know about curiosity? Curiosity is something which always present in your mind for a particular subject or topic. It pushes you to ask so many things about the topic or subject. So keep this in your mind that curiosity is the basic element which can help you to know so many things. And if you really want to know about lots of things, then keep curious and keep learning.
Now, as you know what a learning path is, you must be curious to know about how you can effectively find your learning path. Now, listen carefully. Figure out how you generally learn things. Like, for example, once I wanted to learn a particular kind of sketch pattern. So, for that, I started observing those kind of sketches and then I started making it on a sheet of paper by watching it again and again. Thereafter, I started visualizing the same kind of sketch patterns and then practicing it on the paper again and again. Thereafter, I was skilled enough to make such kind of sketch patterns by myself. So, the learning path that I followed was at first observing, then following, then practicing, and then visualizing. So, you can also find your learning path by figuring out how you generally learn things in your daily life. Like one of our students told us that she learned a particular concept by following a learning path, which was first reading, then predicting, then visualizing, researching, and then at last concluding. So just figure out how you generally learn things in your daily life.
But there is a problem that हम अपने learning path को follow कैसे करें? So I have an answer that we need only one thing, and that is consistency. So I have some steps that you can follow and reach your goal. Keep this in your mind that interest is the only thing which you need to fulfill your goal. Second step. So it can be possible that you know so many paths and you are confused that which you should follow. So I don't think that there is any problem to choose anyone. You know what, आप कौन सा पाथ चूज़ करते हो उससे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, फ़र्क इससे पड़ता है कि आप किससे लर्न कर रहे हो. सो डोंट बी हेजिटेट टू चूज़ एनी पाथ. चूज़ एनी वन विच यू फील comfortable. Step third, find those people who have a same interest like you. Like, it can be any object, it can be any person. You can share your thoughts with them, and you can also know their views also. Step 4, अपना टाइम ये सारे स्टेप्स को या फिर जितने भी आइडियाज़ आपने अभी तक आपको मिले हैं वो सोचने में वेस्ट मत करो. एंड बिकॉज वी मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वी आर डूइंग द सेम थिंग अगेन एंड वी आर जस्ट थिंकिंग. So apply it and then you can see the result. So at the end, I hope that you like our video. Please subscribe our channel, like our videos, and keep learning.